guests, respected teachers, and the fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I have a privilege of sharing to you remarkable tale from history. It is a story of Prophet Nuh, known as Nuh in Arabic. This is not just a story, it is a lesson in faith, patience, to importance and good doings even when odds seem against you. Prophet Nuh lived in a time when people forgetting about God guidance, but he was a man of deep, a kind and righteous. He believed one God. His mission was clear. He reminded people of God's love and guidance to the path of righteousness. Honorable Chief Guest, one fateful day, God revealed to Prophet Nuh a grave message. He told a great flood was imminent. A flood would clear the world of its impurities and wrongdoings. God entrusted Nuh with a monumental task, build a massive boat known as an ark. This ark was enormous, big enough to adjust Nuh's family and the pairs of animals from all species. Nuh and his family embarked to extraordinary mission with unwavering determination, built a closer boat and gathering the pairs of animals two by two. Then come torrent and the rain fell merciless from heavens of the water to the path. But inside the ark, Nuh and his family and the pairs of animals safe in the ark with God protection. Honorable Chief Guests, so what we can learn to the remarkable journeys from Prophet Nuh? Firstly, heed God's guidance and obey His command. Secondly, be patient in the time of adversity. Lastly, God protects those who are very faithful and good. Thank you.